Palava, Mālo everyone. Today is a special day and it's an exciting day because we have the year 13 leaders, the Samoan and Tongan leaders from Marcellin College here at TOA Pacific today to visit our older people, to spend some time with them. Really excited for them to mix and mingle with the older people, to gain some knowledge and some wisdom, and also to hear all their stories. It's coming up to winter, it's getting very cold, so it's gonna be, you know, a nice, warm, comforting feeling to see some young people mixing together with the older people. Everyone, can we come to the middle over here just to introduce ourselves, please, students?
Talavou everyone, my name is Scholastica Greta Samoa Falu Sel Filippo.
Hi everybody, my name is Noah Samasoni. We're here today to just spend time with our elderly and check up on their health and well-being, and to just make them smile.
Yeah.
You're welcome, or you introduce yourself in Tongan. Your surname is Atoa. I want you to introduce yourself.
Correct. Mua lava na si le menina na whakataina tua, le asu le nei na whae le ali'i tātou te olioli na whiawhia iai. O te oe o whae.
So cool, oh my god, I just want to stay here forever. Yeah, I wish Marcellin does more stuff like this, because I feel like it's important for the old people to connect with the young people for their wealth and well-being.
Made me feel happy,
Yeah,
you know, like seeing the elderly smile. You know, it's not something you see every day. So it's good to like take the time out of our day, come and spend it with our elderly.
My grandparents aren't alive at the moment, just my nana and Samoa. So just being here, like you feel more gratitude towards them and like a sense of grandparents, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you just feel grateful to be here.
Both my nanas and Samoa makes me feel like they're here with me.
Yeah.
Like see it through the elderly, through their energy and passion.
And they're so funny. Yeah. Just recently we were dancing with the old people, and the man slipped $20 in my what do you call it, blazer, and then he said something in Tongan, but I'm not Tongan, so I didn't understand. But I'm really grateful.
It's a good day today.
Yeah.
Why all the young ones here today, and because yesterday is a day of my granddaughter was passed away. He was taking her own life, and I just like to share with the school here today, because this is most for the young ones being happy.
My niece and my nephew, they're all in Marcellin. And Mrs. Tuli, I'm the auntie. You know, I'm the father of her. Yeah.
And I said to him, you're teaching the Tongan and the Samoan, all the Polynesian students, so you must get up and dance. So,
Yeah.
but I just got up to tell you why I'm up.
Yeah.
I want him to dance.
Yeah.
Look after your elderly as well. Like, just check up on them every day, check how they're doing.
Yeah.
Just make them smile.
Because like just being here for a little bit, we already made them happy, if that makes sense. And I'm sure they probably have grandchildren themselves, but they're probably like not with them all the time.
Very good. As you can tell by what just happened, it was awesome experience between the young people and the older people. The younger people, they can't believe how old some of these people are because they don't look their age, they look younger. Like there's a man on there, he's 92, the one that did the prayer for us. But they were like, oh, he looks like he's 70. And then there's a lady in there, you know, she's like in her 80s, but someone thought she was 50. So it goes to show you, like when you're happy, you're healthy. And yeah, the old people are definitely happy to see the younger people from Marcellin College. So shout out to all our beautiful students from Marcellin College for leading the way and for showing your service and leadership by spending time with our elders. Aupito.
There is a saying, if you don't use something, you lose it. And if you don't grab the opportunity and be present and really present, you lose out. Because when the older people dies with the knowledge and experience of culture and of family, genealogy, they go with the wisdom. They have no other way of leaving it behind. And when you have it, you keep it with yourself for the rest of your life. Because the young people will be parents and grandparents one day. What goes around does come around. So you give love, you get it. Mālo.